Now moving on to the final section of part 1, the evidence collection. You move through the 5 sections methodically. So you put in the information, say it's on a QSA SharePoint with restricted access, and the QSA company owns it, and they understand by using this toggle switch, they acknowledge the fact that they need to retain it for a minimum of 3 years. Once you've moved on to that, move into the next part. Documentation can be done by line, or if you've done your documentation reviews remotely, you can use your Excel spreadsheet that you've created to put copy and paste in there. But first of all, you need to open up the spreadsheet. So here's one I prepared earlier. Select the areas in grey you want to put in. Control C, back into the app, copy from Excel, paste it in. And that is that information then automatically populated in there, ready for to use in part 2. You can go in and you can update these. So we'll call that a doc 01 alpha. Put in a hyperlink if you've got it. And then these hyperlinks will allow the person doing QA to see the document that you've referenced directly. Once you've done that, move that to QSA completed. Probably leave it as QSA in progress actually, because you're going to add to it most likely in part 2. Save the status and then work through. Interviews work exactly the same, line by line, or copy from Excel. To copy from Excel, you need to find your template. Open up in a second. There you go. Select the fields that you want to put in, highlighted in grey in mine. Copy those back into your app. Copy from Excel. Leave it as in progress because you'll be using it later. And that is you on the way to being prepared for part 2.